This video is based on your Wegovy Pen's instructions for use. For full information, please see the package leaflet that comes with your Wegovy Pen. Hello, I'm Maria, and I'm here to help you learn how to use your Wegovy Pen. It's normal to feel a bit nervous about giving yourself an injection for the first time, so we'll show you how easy it is with the Wegovy Pen. Wegovy comes in a color-coded pen that you inject yourself with once a week for 4 weeks. Each box also includes 4 single-use needles. Along the way, you will gradually increase your dose every month for 5 months. Before you take your first dose, make sure you talk to your doctor, nurse or pharmacist about how to prepare and inject Wegovy. You should read the instructions for use and package leaflet included in the box. Now let's get started. Let's look at your Wegovy Pen. The pen has been designed so that it takes only a few minutes to use, from putting on the needle to priming to injection, and fits right into your routine. 9 out of 10 people find the pen easy to use. When you take the Wegovy Pen out of the box, check the name and the color-coded labels so that you know it's the dose prescribed by your doctor. You should also check that the pen's not out of date. To start your injection, pull off the pen cap and look through the pen display window at the medicine inside. Make sure it's clear and colorless. If it looks cloudy or colored, do not use and contact your pharmacy. Before using your Wegovy Pen, this time and every time, you'll need to attach a new needle. To start, take one of the needles included in the box and pull off the paper tab. Push the needle straight onto the pen, then screw the needle onto the pen until it's tight. The needle is covered by 2 caps. Remove the larger outer cap and place it on the table. You'll need to use it later to remove the needle. Inside, you'll see a smaller inner cap covering the needle. Now take the smaller inner cap off and place it on the table. You won't need it again and you can dispose of it after you're done. You're almost there. Before you use each new pen for the first time, you'll need to make sure it's working properly. To do this, you'll have to prime your pen. To begin, turn the dose selector from 0 to the flow check symbol. Hold the pen with the needle pointing up. Then press and hold the dose button until the dose counter returns to 0. The 0 must line up with the dose pointer. When priming your pen, a drop of Wegovy should appear at the tip of the needle. This means it's ready to use. Now you can dial to your dose and get ready to inject Wegovy. To do this, turn the dose selector to the prescribed pre-measured dose in the display window. The number in the display window should always match what is written on the pen. You can inject Wegovy in your upper arm, stomach or upper leg. You can inject in the same area each week, but make sure it's not in exactly the same spot. To inject the dose, line up the pen straight against your injection site so you can clearly see the display window. Never inject through your clothing. When inserting the needle into your skin, don't cover the dose counter and make sure you can read it clearly. Firmly press and hold down the dose button. The dose counter will return to 0 and you'll hear it click. Continue holding the dose button and slowly count to 6. After counting to 6, slowly lift the pen away from your skin and prepare to dispose of the needle. Always safely dispose of the needle straight after each injection and never use it more than once. To remove it, place the needle tip into the larger outer cap. Once it's covered, push the outer cap completely on, then unscrew the needle and dispose of it carefully. Always remove your needle from your pen as this prevents contamination, infection and blocked needles, leading to inaccurate dosing. Put the pen cap back on until your next dose. You'll use the same pen for all 4 weekly injections, but you'll need to change the needle each time. While on Wegovy, you'll increase your dose every 4 weeks with a different color-coded pen. This helps you know that you're using the correct dose every week. Once you reach the full 2.4 milligram dose, you'll stay with the same color pen for your once-weekly injection. Each box includes 4 needles and enough medicine for 4 injections. Keep your Wegovy pen in the refrigerator. If you need to travel with your pen or leave it out for any reason, don't worry. Wegovy can be kept at room temperature for up to 6 weeks. So that's it! You've just taken your first step with Wegovy on your weight loss journey. I hope that this video has helped you learn more about the Wegovy Pen and how to use it.